Right, I've got another Defender 110 commercial, really looking lovely in Fuji white with a full gloss black pack. 25 delivery mileage. Now, nice specification. It's got air suspension, this one, comfort and convenience package. It's got the center console, CLEARSIGHT interior rear view mirror, black exterior pack, cold climate pack, MERIDIAN premium audio, electronic active differential. It's got the 12-way heated semi-powered seats. So very nice spec. 360 cameras, adaptive cruise, Apple CarPlay. We'll start here at the back and carefully show you around. Rear spoiler, black roof rails, gloss black bumper. It's got the large mud flaps, gloss black wheels, 22-inch, Yokohama Geolandar tyres, full arch kit, side steps, gloss black mirrors, remote control light pod. That's got flash function on it as well, so it's got two different flashing modes. Raised wing vents, all the front there in gloss black. All professionally sprayed, by the way, not any wrap. Black badging, front canards. While I'm at this side, I'll just show you in the front. Heavy duty rubber mats, black leather, fitted bulkhead, under tray storage, lockable compartments. So been a commercial, obviously VAT qualifying. It's got all the tax benefits, benefit in kind with these Defenders. It's got the hard wheel, spare wheel cover. Really looks the part. Got a lot of Defenders in stock at the moment. If you take a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk, all ready to go. So 25 delivery mileage. Any questions? If you'd like to give Harvey a ring on this one, 0777 111 2040. Thank you very much for watching.